Hello guys, welcome to GlobeNestTravel. I'm Zaid. I hope everyone is good. So today I'm going to talk about Japan visa. If you are living in Indonesia as a foreigner and want to apply Japan visa, it's an easy and faster process from here, especially countries like Africans, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and other countries. So it's a good opportunity, but you must know some things, and it's also same times not that much easy that to make a successful application. So let's talk about documentation and things you need to know. Well, first let's talk about documents, what you need to know. So if you are a freelancer, you need to have your ITAS at least 6 month valid. If you are a businessman, you have to your business visa and your other documentation. So you will prepare or get an appointment with the VFS into Jakarta or Bali, wherever you are currently in your location. And after that, you have to prepare the documentation. So what's documentation we need? We need to fill up the form. You can download from the VFS application. You need to print out your appointment. You have to take a picture, last 3 months maximum, white background, passport size, and you have to what you call hotel booking, flight reservation. We can help if you need with my travel agency. You have to take your ITAS re-entry permit. Mostly people don't know, but in Jakarta VFS they need re-entry permit. If you have a question, I can explain it into your comment, you can send me in WhatsApp what is re-entry permit. And you have to provide an employment letter, that your employment contract, that you are living in Indonesia as a freelancer working for another company or foreigner company, that and you can support yourself. Also you have to provide an what you call the bank statement. The bank statement, if you have, it's acceptable from your own country, but guys, I will suggest that you must have your better to in Indonesian bank statement with the local bank. That would be more great. So after that, you have to at least $1,500 you have a bank balance. That's make your stronger your case. You have to write in a cover letter your purpose of travel, travel attorney, your trip, how many days you will take and where you will stay. This was the documentation you have to prepare, gather it together, and go to VFS for the visa application. Now let's talk about the fee. Oh well, the visa fee itself is not much. Mostly countries have also visa. There is no visa fee, but it's not mean that you will pay nothing. Still, you will pay some fee to VFS, like visa process fee, 500 Indonesians, like which is 40 to 35 to $40. And after this, you have to, when you submit your application, it's take guys 6 to 2 weeks, can be 2 weeks, yeah, maximum 2 weeks working. Can, if there is no much pressure, no much loads, and your application is neat and clean, it can be little less. So you can consider this much time. The decision is on embassy, that they will know that, and they will for sure take the consideration by your how much tie you have strong with this country, because you are applying from here. It's not you just came yesterday to this country and now tomorrow you are going to submit your application. Guys, definitely they're gonna to recheck everything. In my suggestion and experience, you make your strong case and real case. Provide real documents, provide real your job. If you are a business here, you must have and prepare your business license, tax number. You should cover letter your invoices that you have business activities, to make your case real and strong to any country, not only Japan. Because if you want to have a successful visa rate with the respectful decision, I will suggest in my base on experience, you must make a strong case, honest, to provide real information which can successfully your application. So I'm sure this information will help you. And also, if you want to help with the documentation, we can help you as well with my legal team, with my what you call the GlobeNestTravel local connections. We can help you as well. So let us know. Feel free. If you already have visited, you already have applied, please send me a comment so I can know your experience. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.